Do you remember all the different types of molds that Amy showed you in episode 1? My favorites are the acrylic mold and the silicone mold. The acrylic mold is a hard, rigid, see-through plastic. This mold is a fantastic mold to use, but today we're going to be using the silicone one. The silicone mold is made out of rubber. You can see that the material is completely different. It's very, very flexible. It's quite easy to use, and my favorite part about these molds is that they can create much finer detail than the acrylic mold can. This one is a cute little cat, so you can see the little whiskers and all these fine details of the fur over here. If you like cats, this might be the one for you. Great. If today is your first time making a candle, I would give one tip, and that is to use a smaller mold if you can. Smaller molds are just a lot easier to make.